Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I create my doodles. So stay till the end if you wanna find out how it turns out. So first off, I search up an image on Pinterest based on what I wanna draw. So in this case, that'll be the robot. So I basically just sketch a rough idea of what I wanna draw using the reference image. You can basically use this same trick on anything you wanna draw. With that being said guys, let's start sketching the doodle.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö.
So with inking, all you need to do is make the lines thicker so it gives it more volume and makes the drawing stand out way more. Like this. Okay, so let's go ahead to ink in the drawing. Okay, now it's time to start coloring. I don't really know much about colors, but all you need is 3 colors, a light, a dark, and a highlight. When you color, always try to follow the shape of the drawing as it's gonna give it more volume and contrast. You can also watch Jazza's video if you want to learn more about Copic markers, because I learned a lot from it. So now let's just jump into coloring this thing. If you're still watching, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate that a lot.
Oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating.
Drop a like if you've liked the video so far.
Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so seasoned, bitch, I can do it all, yeah. I can sell water to.
Okay guys, the video is finished. If you watched up till this moment, I just want to say a huge thank you, and yeah, enjoy the review.
That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You so thirsty for attention in the desert, you could find a well, alive and well. I'm fly as hell, yeah, okay. My fan base like ICP, and tell Al, give me RESPICT.